Welcome, curious mind. Today we're diving into 5 mind-blowing science experiments you can do right in the comfort of your home. Let's begin. First, the classic exploding volcano in a plastic bottle. Mix baking soda, a squirt of dish soap, and some red food coloring. Now, pour in the vinegar and watch the eruption. This is a fantastic demonstration of a chemical reaction between an acid and a base. Next, we'll create a DIY lava lamp. Fill a jar mostly with vegetable oil, then add some water. The water will sink. Add a few drops of food coloring. Now, drop in an effervescent tablet. The tablet reacts with the water to create carbon dioxide gas, which forms bubbles that carry the colored water up through the oil. For our third experiment, we'll write a secret message with invisible ink. All you need is lemon juice. Dip a cotton swab in the juice and write on a piece of paper. Let it dry to reveal the message. Gently heat the paper with a lamp or a hair dryer. The lemon juice oxidizes and turns brown, making your message appear like magic. Fourth, the magic milk experiment. Pour a thin layer of whole milk into a shallow dish. Add a few drops of different food coloring. Now touch the surface of the milk with a cotton swab dipped in dish soap. The soap breaks down the fat in the milk, causing the colors to swirl and dance. Finally, let's build a rainbow in a glass to understand density. You'll need liquids of different densities, like honey, dish, soap, water, vegetable oil, and rubbing alcohol. For a better effect, you can color the water and alcohol. Carefully layer each liquid into a tall glass. The densest liquids will stay at the bottom, creating a beautiful layered rainbow. Science is all around us, and these simple experiments prove that you don't need a fancy lab to be a scientist. Stay curious,